WhatsApp number live and proper. I was duly informed. So, if you have your good up Wi-Fi and all these things, you can hit me up on the WhatsApp number, and you don't know, so it's a nice little call that without credit. If you're there Jamaica, you know, if you get no credit for going to make the call. Whereas if you're locking on somebody Wi-Fi. Also remember the rule. If you're going to take somebody on the side, please make sure so the person have Wi-Fi. If you take somebody on the side, a bonner man or a bonner woman who don't have Wi-Fi, then are you careless in this day and time? You can't afford to engage in them breed of carelessness there. You take somebody on the side, ask them first. You have Wi-Fi. If them don't have Wi-Fi, it cannot happen. Keep it moving. All right? Again, the WhatsApp number is 876-551-5782. 876-551-5782. And the other straight number from Jamaica when you're calling is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Right away, we go to the phone line, no itching and switching and thing, no ditching. I could make the thing up right, Hello.
Boss.
Greetings, first caller. Yeah.
Yeah, man. All things.
You know, I say everything balanced and nice right now. Me I give thanks. I have so much to be thankful for. And me I give thanks for everything that I have to be thankful for. Indeed.
Well, I 2 weeks now, I'm going to check in,
Say, how would this?
Roman Razor, man.
Oh, Roman Razor, what you say, Papa? What you say? Everything is everything?
Man. Yeah, man, everything is everything, man. One to my friend, I heal her up.
Who that?
Tommy Graham.
You heal up Tommy Graham?
Yeah, man.
Where you heal up Tommy Graham, say? What you want to say to Tommy Graham? If you hold Tommy Graham right now, what you like to do to her?
Well, I don't want to paint her wall in a ragga.
You don't want to paint her? So you say, if you hold Tommy Graham right now, Roman Razor, you'd have paint her wall. What color you'd have paint her wall? What color you'd have paint her wall?
Well, I think we'd have paint her wall.
You'd have paint her wall pink. Paint yes, Tommy Graham wall pink right now. Are we talking like a bright pink or like a subdued pink? An understated pink? Are we talking like a loud type of aggressive pink? What kind of pink we are talking now?
Well, a loud and aggressive pink in her.
A loud and aggressive pink. Right now you'd have paint up Tommy wall with one loud yes, pink. Man. Pink arrow.
Yes, man. Man, with a broad paintbrush to ragga.
With a broad paintbrush, yeah. You just cover the whole wall, so. When you're done. So how many coats are paint you that gear? How many coats are paint you that gear?
Well, it depends on how much coat you can manage.
How much coat you can, because she probably can only manage one coat. Because she make one, so like she wicked and thing and whatever, and can only manage a one coat, no?
Hey, Raga, me have one more thing more to say. You see I talk about that text and the phone mix-up thing there?
Yeah.
So one of my brethren tell me, say, him decide a female man one night.
Yeah.
And him say when the phone ring, him say IGL come up.
IGL?
Yeah, and it ring again, and him say JPS come up.
Yeah.
And so one next night him there again, and him say Ren come up.
Ren?
Then I say, well, go on. Yeah, but do man now, see if the man them on the side number now. One as rent man, one as the gas man.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So man I say weird. So it's like every man we she have now, she just save that man the number, the man who buy the gas.
Yeah.
And save that man the number now, the man who pay the light bill.
Yeah.
And save the rent man now, as rent, the man who pay the rent. Yeah, so him say him go so bam now when him call her now and see what come up. Him say him say grocery come up, because him say him use fare phone, see him phone and call, say fare phone,
And it's a
grocery name that come up.
And a grocery come up on that film name.
And a grocery him say come up rather.
All right, we are hear them joke about the place, but enough woman do them something they do. Them, them save the man name and whatever it is, the purpose the man them serve, no?
Yeah.
Listen to me now. It's a good thing your name come up on that grocery. Right? Listen, your name could have come up on that careless tongue.
Sure.
and that would be good, because if your name come up on that careless tongue, you know, say, boy, then she could even put my name on that grocery or something, don't. Like she wicked,
Raga,
so.
Go get back a tambourine night too there, you know.
Yeah, no, me I'll get that tambourine. No worry yourself. No worry yourself. Big up yourself here, sir.
Yeah, man, I'm big up Tommy Graham to you, Raga.
Yes, man. Me I big up Tommy Graham for you, because you have what them call it what them crosshairs, you know, the when you're a sniper. You have the target something. So you have her in your crosshairs, right?
Yes, man, I get her part 2 Wednesday night.
You get her what?
Part 2 Wednesday night.
Part 2 Wednesday night. All right, Roman Razor, you're half a Tommy Graham. She fi know that. All right, big up yourself here, sir.
All right, brother.
Yeah, man, respect. Again, we just want, we're going to do that tonight. Phone mix-up. Any mix-up involving phone. So if you don't know anything, any little drama will involve phone, you can't shout at that, you know. You can't shout at just some crazy things that happen with phone. How much people are getting in trouble with phone. It's like every day or every other day, something come up with phone. Some phone drama reach somebody. Somebody miss with phone. And me, some simple little things with me I say happen with phone with me. And, you know, I mean, not dramatic, you know, but I just I say, phone is just such a ubiquitous thing in our lives right now that it has permeated so much of what we do every day that inevitably it leads to all kinds of drama, mix-up, emerging that involve phone or a phone at the center. Good night, callers. What's up?
Good night.
Good night.
Mr. Scandalous, bless Earth strong.
Seeing. You know, say sometimes you call, but you not talk up. You talk slower. You slow down the thing. Come now, man.
You don't know who this.
I know it's who, but just start now, man.
Motion, so that's why I talk, so.
No, but me like when you
talk fast speed and them tell me to slow down.
Oh, God. But yeah, man. But me like when they show just, you know, and things. So what I go down?
Nothing much. The brother there well go boring. You cannot talk about you go paint somebody wall and you go use just one little dreary color, multicolor.
Wait.
You don't know variety of the spice of life.
No, then suppose him know say a pink work for Tommy and him just want to work with pink. No, you have some woman that want a whole heap of color, one color to them thing. You know, make the thing good, you know. You know, make the thing good. But me see what you say. Like you say Tommy Graham probably want variety. She doesn't want one thing. No, I understand that part there too. I understand that. So based on what you know, what you hear about Tommy Graham, does she sound like a multicolored person or a one-color person?
Well, them say different strokes for different folks, but me know say for me, you know, I like the multicolor.
You want multicolor?
That is lovely.
Yes,
right.
Man. You want it mix up. You want different something down.
Right. Oh, you know so.
Yeah, you don't want no one thing, you know. If you go up so and then if you go down so down.
Boring and dreary.
Yeah, you don't want to travel one place. Are you one of them? Are you one of them people who? Hold on, let me ask you a question. Are you one of them people like? You don't want to travel uptown alone. You love to go downtown too, don't?
Nah.
Then are you just a variety?
Nah,
no, you just a variety. No, you just a variety. I saw you love run up on the mouth all the while and thing like that. I see him thing did reach me when me I tell a woman about, yeah, hey, I'm a ton of freak pie and whatever. I want you come out with the enamel pot. With the bead them in the island, whatever. Sister, I'm a ton idiot. And things and sister, no, you did a top, but you want to turn up freak, then a freak, we going to turn up now. And you see him one and now come and do the same thing, but you want variety, and you want multicolor this, and whatever, but you don't go want to.
You need to behave yourself, because remember, say,
no,
Mama Peggy
nobody come drawing a card from me. Are you boring now? You come and style the man as boring.
You're not drawing a card.
No, but you basically say only uptown your thing there. Only uptown you think that you would even go crossroad. You would even go crossroad, but you not go downtown.
No, not about crossroad. It's a crossroad puzzle.
What? Listen to me. Me no want a crossroad. You just say uptown you think that you not go downtown. Why you not go down? Why you not go downtown? Now you say multicolored. Multicolored means a whole heap of variety and thing or whatever. So you go to uptown and you not go downtown. And you ready for come style the man as boring.
So Oh, you're with him, the sister.
Eh?
You're over 50 and loving it, don't you?
You see, you're not, you're not spice up a thing, man, all right? So anyway, big up yourself, you know, all right?
And you don't know who do one.
Yeah, man, I know who, man. Don't worry yourself. Hermitage, proper.
Right, mine
everything
is next Friday.
Yeah, man. All right, blessings. Here.
Hey, Raga.
Greetings.
I can't listen this again, man.
What you say?
The lady there.
Yeah.
The lady there just called, you know, she have in mind how she want her wall paint multicolors, you know.
Yeah, why?
Because the last lady me know, you know, so she want a kinky man. She left from country, come to town, so she want a kinky man.
Yeah.
Here see a man tie her up, you know, and bandage her, you know, that's something what them call BDSM or something like that.
BDSM?
And here see my boy I go on with him. That's something that with them tie up.
Yeah, man. Bandage and can say the masochism. Tie up and beat you and throw a hot can go oil pan you and all and sit there. What about, yeah?
All of them something there. But my girl left from country, come to town, you know, and things, you just swiping, she I get your zine.
Okay.
So swiping is going on after that, you can get him back door, kick off, you know, man. So they have to be careful when they ask for nowadays.
What you say? After the swiping run and thing, the general kick down her back door, don't?
Yeah, man, remember say more tie up, you know, so brother don't even know when she if he stop or nothing, because I'm out bandage.
No, well, let's be careful. We don't want to get too casual with any man that tie up woman and do to her where she don't want him to do, because that is not something for us to laugh at, okay? So we could be careful with that part there. But basically, I say, people be careful how them want to mix up a thing, because then we get them, we get them back door kick off, don't? Yeah.
Back door, yeah, man.
And that is not a good thing if your back door get kicked down, you know. Worries, a trouble that for you, right? They say, you know, if your back door get kicked down. You remember I had a chat to your brethren one day when I tell the youth, I say, man, I deal with the big man there and Ray, and I said, the big man, I do this something with them to him, man. Be a thing, you know, you me ask him, say, so I say, yo, should he turn you around? Yeah, the brethren say, what you say? What? Wait, what? Man say, yo, I'm doing them something, I never get turned around. And you know that song now say, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Hey man said, no, I never get turned around.
No, right?
Him never get Bonnie Tyler. You get it? You know Bonnie Tyler?
No.
You don't know Bonnie Tyler? I'm going to tell you, you're going to know what is Bonnie Tyler. So we are use that as an adjective now. Say, yo, you didn't generally get Bonnie Tyler. You know, Bonnie Tyler is a singer. And you know which song she's more famous for? Oh, it go. Mm-hmm. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little and if you put out some crazy lyrics to it and say, turn around, and make me send up the thing, and yes, ball I really need it tonight. Forever when me done with you, and I got tight. Yo, so the general never get Bonnie Tyler. In general, never get Bonnie Tyler, I think. Yo, hey, let me tell you something, man.
That him says still. That's how him says still.
Dog, a real thing, me I tell you, you know, that reach me, you know, man. Me I draw for a woman or whatever, and I give her beer talk, and I say, baby, I turn up something upon you, you know, where you never. And the whole time, she depend, really? I'm not here. You know, she say, But she go on simple. And them even free there, you know. We go on like them car machines. And make it there run off
like
your mouth.
Like more you could have chew.
Yeah, and upon and she, you know, and then she come out with a look of Sykes, man. And me can't manage you, me can't bother with you. And then
Yeah.
And then when me get the run, man, me I tell her, say, cut long story short, man. You see, up till today, dear. If me and a woman I do something, and she say, wait a little bit, me soon come back. Anxiety start kill me. Anxiety start kill me. Anxiety start take me. Because before that, me did used to woman a go in a bathroom and put on like lingerie or put on one Catwoman suit or something and come out and mix up a thing. You understand what I say?
Them a come out with them ties, you know.
Yeah, nowadays them a come out with some ties. Them not tell us that the big come out, man, with one, you know what we call enamel pot. Right? Because she did in a First of all, First of all, we go rock. I usually when them a change and I go put on like one sexy outfit for you. A bathroom them go, no. My girl never go to the bathroom. A kitchen she go. Right? You me no know how long you listen me, but you ever hear me talk about say, me not like woman who walk with too much bag because she was a 3-bag woman and a 3-bag she walk.
A long time me I listen to your Raga, man.
All right then. She walk with 3-bag and 6 extra panty. You tell me now, where woman I walk with 3-bag and 6? Now a dangerous woman. Any woman walk with 3-bag and 6 extra panty. You know how worries that. Anyway, my girl going at the kitchen and the bathroom, she go. Nah, man, I don't hustle. I just prep up, you know, she just in a them something there. And when she come out with the enamel pan and her hand in the pan, you want to see her hand in the pan. And I say, Kat, I don't know, you probably not see the video, but her hand in the pan, like, you know, like you mix up something with your finger, them, you know. And when I look, I see one black bead come out. That time I naked as a day, me born, you know. Yes, and one black bead come up and thing and oil and shine. So she had one bead like it, that's one necklace, you know, but it not tie up like I say, it's just like one long string, but there's some black bead on it. And she lift up the bead in the aisle and I start there. And someone just say, so you know them time you know when you get nervous now, I just start put on my little gangster. I say, my girl, where you depend? What that? Where you depend? And man, say, no worry about it, man. I say, where you depend? No worry about it, man. You know, say we are going to turn up a thing, man. We are going to turn up a freak, man. Everything cool. I said, my girl, where you depend? Where you really depend? And those faithful words up to the day. Anytime a woman tell me that, man, she said, no, man, what you say, man? I like it. Just turn around. Turn around. Yo,
ready to plug you in?
What? I say, right there, I say, yo, my girl, come on to my place, man. Come on to my place. I'm going to start make up beer nice, beer excitement. Come on to my place, man, but turn around. You cannot come and tell gangs I want some, but that the time I never know why, you know. I never know why, you know. Yeah, but I just know, say, it cannot be good for you to tell me turn around. It cannot be good. It can't be something. Me and you go juggle like you come and tell gangs about turn around. My girl, how you feel like? Come on to my place. And when we do that, I'm going to tell my Bridget and the man, I say, dog, you nearly get beat. You don't know.
You have to be careful.
Yeah.
Nowadays, man. You have to be careful.
No, hey, let me tell you something, man. You know what enough man adjust to yet? Say, women have changed the game out there now, you know. Women change the game. And them around the thing now, you know.
Yes, man. Remember, say, man, change the game a little notch, you know, but, man, that woman, them a turn it up, you know.
Yeah, when I tell you, say, man, woman, oh, you never say a bad word a while ago. Up, you say?
No, me say turn up till it buck.
Till it buck? Okay, all right. No, sorry, me just did hear the uck. I mean, never did. We're frightened a while ago, but you're good. All right, turn up till it buck. No, man, let me tell you something now. Woman, I run the thing out there right now, you know, and I, in my opinion, this is just my opinion, right? So, I mean, you're a freaky man out there what still a turn out woman, you know, but the woman, them right now, a whole heap of woman now, unlike before, them run them thing. And at them, when it comes to all freakiness and what, them run them show. And I think, I think a lot of men out there have problem adjusting to that reality. Say, enough women run them thing out there right now. And them a marshal the thing. And them a get what them want, and you know, and a screech up on the man them and all them thing. Then that's why Raga said, don't run in. Okay, you never know where you run up in. And she could have pretty like goal clutch. You don't know what is what.
Yes, man.
Nowadays. Because them women are different because, all right, before, I'm going to take a break, but carelessness. From what you hear about Tammy Graham, you think you could have managed her?
Tammy Graham?
Yeah.
No.
You know, you're the first call I say, I'm paying Tammy Wall or whatever. So you think you could have managed Tammy Graham?
No.
What you mean you don't know? Just make a guess, like whatever.
No.
You don't know? Huh?
But we'll try still.
You don't try?
But we'll try.
Yeah, man. Okay, nothing wrong.
But you know who me like, Raga?
Who you like?
Who me like?
Who?
You remember the nurse we call? The nurse where she said she meet you. And she dream say, yeah, sort her out. That nurse them like.
Oh, they talk about the Ragashanti classics, them we play upon Ragashanti World. Right? You listen about that show they don't?
Yes, man, and the nurse still say, Ray, is in?
Yeah.
I can't remember exactly what she said, but
nah, man, she said she dreams say me a sort her out and beat her. I remember say she have her man where she said the man can't him thing
stand up him impulsive or something.
Yeah, and thing and whatever. Him not really up there like him thing not really up there like that and really no, that nurse said it. I remember some member because she said, you know me. Cause I remember come up to you and I remember proper no man, and the nurse said proper man. Proper. My man tell her, tan good.
I'm here say she proper man. Me just hear her over radio and like her.
I want, that's something they done. Don't worry yourself, man. All right.
Yeah,
World smile. You could all buck her up again or buck up her next nurse. You understand? Big up yourself here, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Watch your right, people. Make a whole lot break. We're soon forward. Ragashanti Live on the Bridge 99 FM. Ragashanti Live. Ragashanti Live. Ragashanti Live. Yeah, man, welcome back up in our juggling. Welcome back up in the juggling and thing and whatever. And, you know, my daughter's birthday was Thursday gone. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, they're just incredibly busy days, so. Never get for really do nothing upon her birthday, you know, but today at Chuck E. Cheese, they do it, you know, she and her brother KJ, you know. Zion there Florida, so you know if him the day I'm with a hand on the page too, you understand? I just carry them go Chuck E. Cheese and they had a ball, you understand? Be things go on at Chuck E. Cheese and thing, and we just leave straight from Chuck E. Cheese and come right here, so, and thing, you see it, you know, cause, you know, Chuck E. Cheese, you know, close when it close and we drive all the way from there and just get dropped right here and things. So I just want to say, even though our birthday gone from Thursday, happy birthday, Jitty Boo, and I'm glad you had fun today. And you don't have school tomorrow, so you get a little late run. You and KJ, so happy birthday, Jitty. And thing, I love you, KJ. I love you, Zion. Big respect to the little ones, them and thing. Everything is everything. And things. So I just left straight from Chuck E. Cheese come here and just say, yo, anything goes on the show in the night. All right? And you can call in with any mix-up we want to have, but in particular, if we don't know any drama we go down, we involve phone. Some people make some mistake with phone, or some people use phone and find out something. I use phone in one trickify way, because up to about 2-3 days ago, you know, I don't know if a TamFam they want to give me permission, you know, but Bossy in Atlanta, if you give me permission for run that, I'm not call your name, you know, so I'm not call name. But if you can't give me the link, if you can't for talk, you mix up where you tell me where involve phone, because the way you deal with the phone matter there and thing and whatever, it's almost like a science. You understand? It's almost like a science. Some people will them angle phone and find out this and that and catch people with this and that and figure out this and that. And I'm not normal. So, boss, if you give me permission, again, I'm not call your name, I'm not say nothing if you identify you or whatever. But if you can't give me permission for run it, would I like to tell them about that mix-up there. But if anybody have any mix-up involving phone, but him, the way how him use the phone to figure out certain things is like, you know, some need to text him. I need to text him, you know. Hold on, let me see. All right. Hold on. All right. Hold on there. Yeah, hold on there. Y'all listen the show. Listen the show. May I ask him, you know? It depend phone mix up. May I tell him, you know? Hey, may I tell you the dog, me rate him, man. Nah, tell them your business, do. Tell them your business, do. Yeah. Yeah. But the way him deal with the phone thing, man, it's like some people just have the phone game down. It's like them can't just, and I like, them can't just use the phone and just figure out certain other things and then do some things with the phone too. Right? And me I make reference to him because the way I'm angling business and thing and whatever and figure out and go through a generalship where it's a type of generalship the way me not lie, if she did arrange that for me, she probably would have beat me. Because me wouldn't able to find out. But the way what him do with the phone, them and thing, I'm find out. Some sitting and whatever. It's almost like a science to the game. Right? And as me always I tell you, generally, when it comes to technology, women usually defer to men. Like if car want to fix them, make the man deal with that. If so anything to do with technology, women defer to men, but not with the phone though. Not with the phone. Women are just way adept at doing so many things and finding out so many things with phone. And sitting and them just understand phone technology and the nuances of phone and the way you can use phone to this and find out that and whatever. The woman them have that something they lack like, wow. In fact, I would advise on a man right now for open the game pan that and study the phone thing, you know. Study the phone thing. Know why in the cloud. Know why your phone bill there. Them something there. Know who and who depend your account. Right? Not because you have password for one. No, if it was one of the account and know you are the account holder, whatever. Right? Them can't see all of the number them will call you and say how long you stay upon which number and which number call you the most and all them something there. Right? Now found a man who all get hype because woman buy on a phone. How don't even read the play. Yeah. When woman buy on the phone, you know how much woman buy man at phone and whatever, and I know the whole of the man business and thing because the phone done set up with all some secret app and all them something up on the phone. Some app where you can't see. And the app just a record everything where you do. All them have to do is get in your phone at one time. And I send over all of the information to feed them phone. Right? A little man get beat nowadays in a divorce. A little man get beaten in a divorce proceedings. Him going at the divorce thing and thinks him have the upper hand. When Miss Lady start to reel out the something them pan him, he made hurt him, mash him up. You understand? Because the whole time she program him through the phone and him don't know what go on. That's something there. Right? So if you don't have any drama upon them lines, just give me a call and tell me about it, yeah? Hello, good night, hello.
Good night, Reggae.
What go down?
I am okay. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
All right, Reggae, I want to tell you something about the phone.
Yeah.
All right, I'm using an iPhone, right?
Yeah.
And a lot of iPhone users out there can testify to this.
Yeah.
There's a particular code that you type in.
Yeah.
And then you type in your significant other number.
Yeah.
And all his messages, all his calls, WhatsApp, everything comes to your phone.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am serious.
No, that's so, no, that, it, I mean, I say it no work, you know, but it have to be something else. That sounds too simple.
No, it is very simple, Raga. It is very simple, but it works.
No, hold on. What you do? You type it on theme phone?
No.
You type a code on your phone and type somebody else's number and all of them messages and everything come to you?
Yes, Raga.
No. No, darling, listen, let me tell you something.
Other people can call in and tell you it works.
No, hold on, man. It has to, I say it no work, you know. I can almost guarantee you somebody have a call in and said, no, she right, you know, but Ray, because it has to be something else. Basically, the way how you
code on phone and type in my number, and everything comes to my phone.
Then that me just ask you, that me never understand, so you just explain it to me on theme phone.
Yes, you type it in on his phone.
On Fame phone. No, I never get that.
Type in the code and then my number on his phone.
No, so basically you're saying there's a way to forward all of your information to our next phone. That is what you're saying, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, then. Here's a question. Is it that if you get access to somebody else's phone, you can do that, and them don't know say you do it? That is what you're saying, right?
Right.
Backside, you know. And you know what really are going to come here, you go reason, you know, because basically you do it, you know.
Yes, I did.
You do it already, don't you?
Yes.
You do it with your boyfriend? You do it with your man?
Yes, sir.
Lord God, you're getting a film iPhone and you basically forward all information from him. So even when any call or text when him send after that, you get a copy of everything.
Yes, sir. And if also, say for instance, his phone is ringing.
Yeah.
And like him decline the call or something.
Yeah.
It comes to my phone, so I see the number and everything come up on my phone.
Backside.
So even if somebody call him on WhatsApp and him decline the call, come up in my thing same way.
You still see which number call him, don't?
Yes, sir. See all I was sending picture who desperate from the desperate.
Backside, you know. So when they must send him
all who are big money for buy ear and all of these things.
Who are big money for buy who are big money for buy here and all of them something they don't.
Yes, sir.
So when them send him all the skin out picture them and them something that you see them don't.
Yes, sir. I see when respond and tell them so.
So weird. So and all know what's how the thing set up, right? Right? Even though.
Yes, sir. Even though.
But tell me, the first thing though, why did you find it necessary to do that? So must something did that go down?
You know, to be honest with you, I saw it on TikTok and I said I'm going to try it, and I tried and I said that it worked for real.
And that's it. You just see it on TikTok and you just say, all right, I'm going to see if it works. And then you do it and that's it, right?
Yes, I saw it. I tried it and it worked, and I get to fall in love with it. So I don't bother deactivate it and let it stay.
So we Yanim still there?
Yes, sir.
So you feel?
I not leave him make all of them desperate people that take him right and take care of me.
Why you say you not left him down?
No, I not left him.
But hold on. What's the worst? Tell me the God truth and just speak it truth. What's the worst thing you see in, like, you know, we go to him?
All right, the worst thing that I see is I see a girl sending some nudes and like
send him some what?
Some nudes.
Some nudes, like okay.
Like him very interested. I tell her to send him more. I tell her which part she could go take picture and send him and all of these things.
Okay, so when you see that, how it did make you feel? Talk it through. How it did make you feel?
Well, to be honest, I don't really feel no way or that. I want some girls, so I don't say, you know, I'm not really interested like that. He just want see how far she probably will go with him.
Oh, so him never act like him frightened and dying for meat or nothing like that.
No, because him not learn nothing like that. But this is somebody out there where him really, I mean, something with that person.
Oh? So when you say inner something, like them a dugu?
Yeah, I'm involved. Like I'm the person involved.
No, I'm going to tell you the truth. A teacher teach me now, you know. A teacher going to teach me now, you know. Because now that you do this, you see this thing on TikTok where say you can forward somebody, all of them information forward to your phone. You go do it to your man. And now you find, you go it lead you now if you go find out, say, your man a sort out somebody else. And it sounds to me like him still a treat you good, do and a juggle with you good, right? Am I wrong or am I right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So, but basically now that you see him a dugu somebody else and thing and you say it's like him into that person there and thing certain level. Are you still at work with it?
Then what am I going to do, Raga? I'm not going to leave him. And to be honest with you, it is very hard to find a good man nowadays. And whether you want to believe it or not, every man cheats. You can't get away from that. Every man cheats. I'll pass that game wife bone.
It's hard to find a good man nowadays. So if you find a good man, basically me I say, if you find a good man, keep him. And don't make the cheating bother you if you find out say him go and look at cheating. Because and I like say you go find one another man now who you may go jump out a pot and jump in a fire and the man they go cheat anyway. And that are your reasoning?
Oh. Well, exactly.
All right then. Can you have a situation then where say him out there like that with one but and a sort out 6, 7, 8 woman? You that still juggle with him? Or because it's a look of one woman make you just work with it?
It's because it's only one.
Okay. Then you don't feel jealous when you hear him with that one here? You don't feel jealous?
Well, to be honest with you, not really so much so as jealous, because to be honest with you, me have somebody would call and text me to and all of these things, and if it comes to the test and if I want to start him out, it can happen. So I don't really let what he's doing really bother me like that.
Oh, so you say you have somebody who call you to and text you to and thing. And if him a call you and a text you and whatever, you are responding to him in a level where keep him at a certain point, right?
Right.
I'm not going to ask you straight up. That person who will call you and a text you, you and him ever kiss yet or anything?
No. But I know that he likes me. I know that he's attracted to me and all of that.
Are you attracted to him?
Yes, I like him. It's just that I'm not really financially stable certain ways, so I'm not really like a man thing. But yes, I like him.
But your man in terms that, balance and take care of you certain way, film finances, balance and all these things, right?
Yes, sir, guys. Take very good care of you.
And him take very good care of you. So you not see no reason why you go give up a man who take very good care of you just because he might go on with a look at one thing with the next woman out there, right?
No, Raga, sharing is caring.
But Chris Rock have this thing where him say, every woman, no care who she there with, him say every woman, without you, I'm not going to use the term where him use, but you can understand. Him say every woman have a penis in a glass case. Break when necessary, when emergency, right? Right? Him said, and every woman have a guy who she just talk to. But that guy is an emergency guy. Because remember, women more than men, always have a backup plan. Right? You never hear about man talk about them a go out with get Bex money. It's woman say them a go out with get Bex money. Emergency, backup. Because you never know, right? So in that level, like women always have contingencies. If this not work out, I have certain option in play. So at a role that a brother you serve, basically, like, if need be, you can just go so boom and go feel good over there, so if you want.
Apparently.
What do you mean by that?
Well, basically, in some sort of way, like I said, he's okay. It's just that he doesn't really have no money.
Okay. But then if money start running that thing, you'd have left your man right and go juggle with him?
No, I don't think so.
No. Okay. So the girl where your man are involved with that thing, you know who she is? You ever see her? You know where she live and them something?
Well, I know the area that she's from.
Yeah.
I don't know. If I tell you I know which color house or the particular house, no, I don't know that much.
So you ever see a picture of her?
Based on the messages.
Okay.
Based on the messages, I kind of have an idea.
Okay.
Which area she's from. But to be honest with you, there's no pictures. She don't send him any pictures or stuff like that. So that is why I know that it is somebody that he's deeply involved with, and in I don't know, just no recent thing, him involved with her for quite some time. Because when you just meet a girl and thing, you will ask for pictures. But when it is somebody that you're seasoned with, you're not gonna ask them to send you any pictures.
You gonna way past them something there and thing or whatever. Yeah?
Right.
Oh, okay,
So
that's
right.
So you don't feel threatened by her in any way?
No, because based on the messages, no, I'm not. Based on the messages, she knows that we are together. She knows that we live together and all of that. He sets that boundary and thing in the messages, because I see where she has been texting him already, and he said that well, I am home right now.
Oh, okay. So you not take off the forward something there for him phone? You're gonna just make it stay there permanently?
No, it's not gonna stay permanently, but I don't really ready to take it off yet.
But about how long now it depend it?
Like maybe 2 months now. Like I said, I saw it on TikTok. Right.
Why? Am I right in saying that women understand phone way more than men do? Am I correct in saying that?
In some aspect, it really depends on the literacy of the person as well, because they say the smartphone is as smart as the user.
Correct.
So if you're not really inclined a certain way, you won't know some of the features and how advanced a phone really is. So for instance, I'm not really stereotyping anybody now, but you will have some persons in some socio-economic background, and you give them a high phone and thing. They know that, I wanted to take pictures for Snapchat, WhatsApp, and Facebook and all of that. Boom, that's where their knowledge stops. Some of them, not all. Some of them.
Right.
Some of them. So the phone is as smart as the user.
Well,
so you have some men who know more about the phone than women, and you have women who know more about the phone than men. But in majority, the women are ahead.
And that you just synopsized my conclusion perfectly, because of course you have men who are shy, but what you see, there's a nuance, distinction there to be recognized also, is that technologically men can, men are mostly men who are systems analysts and them something there, and them know for run server upon compute. So man know about them, and more men in other field there in terms of computer technology. But what I'm saying is how you use the phone to deduce information. Is that different thing that Is that different thing?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, and what I'm saying is, women have seen and identified the utility, because it's for women, information is more important to women than men. Women need to know.
Exactly. We pay attention to the fine print. We read the fine print.
Exactly. And women now have recognized that the utility of the phone is powerful for getting what they have always valued, which is knowing what them want to know, what going over this, so who this and that, for work out this and whatever. In another, woman work out some things how man relate to them phone, right? That is not even going in the phone, Just how a man relate to him phone, Women understand the relationship, they're different than man,
Very much so.
Women explain how what? Where him come? All right, then you have to go come off of the phone now, then, right? All right, cool. We don't want him to find out. Well, me don't want him to find out again. All right, angle your business. All right, then. Oh, God, that bad. What him come? Him come. Yes, me have to go come off of the phone now. Him there now. Him come. Yo, my God. No, man, the point I didn't make those people is me I give you an example. Men, listen to this. Women are way deeper than men in general. When it comes to relationship thing, women can just feel shifts in them friend and just know say them friend are go through something deep and the friend not say nothing to them all know, you know. Women can just relate to them picnic certain way and all just sense out something from them picnic. Women just function on a deeper level in general. And within that same framework, I hear women explain some things like when man do with them phone in a patterned way, when them pay attention and see what man always put on him phone, right? See how man hold him phone. Woman can't tell you how a man hold him phone when him not nervous about something or him hold him phone when so and so happen, right? We're not talking about the obvious thing about turn down phone. We're not even talking about them there, you know. I talk about, you know, woman just all notice a man say, Raga, him always put on the anytime him come home, him put on the phone, so and so. Why did him come home and him a go bathroom and bring the phone with it? You know them look at something there. Woman pick up them thing there. So, you know, so Raga is for the ladies. Raga is for the ladies without apology. But me I tell on the general, me I tell all of the man them out there, who don't need for open the game with a phone something there. The woman them a lead right here now. Who don't need to start study some indirect thing with the woman them on the phone right here now. Because they must study the thing. Next call. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings.
Night Raga.
Yeah, where I go though?
Not much. Jackie here.
Yeah, Jackie, where I say?
I tell you, you see some of them man,
yeah?
Especially when them a go out with them outside woman.
Yeah.
Them no know if to answer phone when them depend something or do or whatever them not supposed to do.
Talk
they
to
with one policeman. I mean, tell you, say, Raga.
Yeah.
One Friday, me know Friday night time always I carry some woman go some place. So, me just decide me I get trouble. Me say, me call him and say, yeah, come tonight buy me burger. The way I'm quick answer yes and hang up the phone. Me say, no man, that sound like him depend something.
No, hold on. You call him. So hold on, you did a study him and a pre-him and you say something not going on Friday evening time.
Yeah.
No, well, hold on, real quickly. What? Just tell me one thing will make you kind of sense that something not going on Friday evening time.
Him no come straight home.
Oh.
And certain time when you call him phone, you nah get him. So me say, me I catch him that earlier was when me know him just left work.
Oh. So then when you call him now, you say, bring some food, come and thing or whatever. And
him quick answer yes.
Him
hang up the phone.
So him answer quick and answer yes. So why was that suspicious? Why was that suspicious?
No, normally if him go come, me ask him to buy me something and him come with it. Him not answer and hang up the phone so quick.
Oh.
But that one I did too fast. Just yes and hang up the phone.
Him want come off of the phone quick, no.
Yeah.
Him usual relax self on the phone. Him
no,
want come off
quick.
quick.
No man, me call back the man, man.
Yeah.
Something not right.
Yeah.
So when me call,
yeah,
me kind of talk to him and him spare me a little time, but at the same time, the type of music we are playing, me know say something in the pan while the music they are playing.
Well, so when you call, you hear some background music I play. Some music I play in the background. And what you say, what?
Me know say I somewhere in there with some woman. Because me know the type of music him play when in the pan, certain thing. Raga?
What kind of music you did I?
Hardcore music, man.
And you know it's a theme style like when him at work. Him love play them music they don't.
Yeah, so me say, all right.
Yeah.
Me say, I bet you in there X place. Raga, me just follow my mind, you know. I just trouble me no one give that Friday night there, you know.
Seeing?
And Raga?
Yeah.
And when me take go half a tree, I mind say, go down at Ugly Park Road.
Yeah.
At the guest house.
At the guest house.
Tell me that, you know. So me go there and start.
Hold on. So at the guest house, right? Hold on. Tell me something. At the guest house there, Panda Road there, right at Walter and Ugly Park Road.
Before you reach down.
Because you have one where run right on the road beside the gas station. And I must
It.
It.
Same one.
Gretna Green, no?
Yeah.
All right.
So,
well, me hear about it, you know. Just so people know. I have read about it and people tell me about it. So, hold on. So, what you know that one there now? Talking guy. Yeah. When you and him did just attack, when they go there, though, don't you?
Yeah. I'm a fool. So, me only want to prove something to him, so I know say him do things.
Yeah. So you go down there.
So I go down there, I stand up, I see him come out. Raga, kiss me to and say, you know what, him no work this. You see, when me in the taxi, I go hop back to go after a tree.
Yeah.
Now him and one girl hold hands in hands, and you want to see him.
Where?
No, I come from Ugly Park Road.
So
turn off, I get the green and now come down.
So you go down there and lay wait outside for see him come out, and you see him come out. So I leave now. And see him.
So I go home, so when me in the taxi and the taxi I pass, I go up the road. Now him and the woman, me say.
Well, I want big and bowl in on the road.
Yeah. So
no, but I must Ugly Park Road there depend then if you go back half a tree.
Yeah, me depend Ugly Park, the taxi.
Well, him and Bona woman, him and I walk hand in and hold hand on the road for Ugly Park Road.
Yeah, in Bright.
No, him gonna lose this so. Him gonna lose this so.
The way me so frightened now.
Yeah.
Shout out in name and me say after me shout out name, me say, oh, me so damn fool, me not just come off of the beat.
So well alright, so same name, Tyrone. The way you're frightened, you must say, Dirty Tyrone!
Yeah. So when the taxi stop by me and him look across the road and see me, him tell the girl for run.
Well on.
So she run.
No, well on, man. No, well on. You fly out of the taxi?
Yeah.
So when you fly out of the taxi and him see how far, him tell, no, me not, whatever. Just give me a sense of how him sound. Him say, run, what him say, how him sound, and him tell.
Go on.
Him say, run, go on.
Run.
And she run.
Say, you no need for run. Me not embarrass myself. I just prove I want to prove.
Well, you ball out to her and say, you no need for run?
Yeah. Me not worry with you. Me better than that. But me only want to prove to him, say me know.
Well, so she did really a run for you?
Yeah, she run.
Yo,
say, Lord, I want warrant. Me say go serve warrant. And then you know what?
Well on. No. Stop right there, sir. You a tell me, sir, when him a tell her run, when him see you, and she a run, she a ball about is a warrant she go serve.
Him say that.
Him says a warrant him go serve. Oh, okay, I'm a police, so him say go serve a warrant. Yeah.
So, and him a explain the case, and me say.
Him a explain the case, no, but I never lie, him a tell him, did I serve a warrant?
Yeah, me tell him.
Him that serve a warrant, him that serve a warrant.
Do did I go serve the warrant, but under whatever.
Yeah, she supposed to get 10 inches, 10 inches of warrant to reach right there, so you need to come, a court will come.
Yeah. Answer. When we reach home now, the way me I show you the man wicked, you know. The man say, you can't believe me, and him take him phone and fling it outside, say, if you believe me, no, let me I tell you. And I say, I know you're wicked.
What you say him do what?
Show the phone outside, say, you need to believe me, man.
But when him take out the phone, say, you need to believe me. That's for the phone here, you know.
Guess what? Oh. You mash up the phone out there, son of me, mash because I know say you a liar. And many times I catch him with the phone. You see, sometime at night time him to come in, with him get a car now.
Yeah.
Him start the car outside, open the trunk and put the phone in the trunk. So I said, oh, you come in and left your phone. Oh, I said, I left it at the office, you know, but him no know, so me I watch him from the car reach over the gate.
From the car, come at the gate, him and put the phone in at the back of the car.
And then him is a man who love take picture. When him and them go to him take picture. Oh, you feel me so stupid and then him
What you mean?
The camera in the
what you mean love take picture? Like with the phone or with camera?
Both with the phone and camera, but me find the camera with it but me no make him know, so me find the and some picture, if you ever see the picture them where I take, you know what me do with some of the picture them?
What?
Just take with the picture them. I go downtown already and book him up. And him no know say me I watch him. And him I show him friend the picture them and whatever. You know, me just take time screech behind him. And just take out the picture them all time and me say, where you going to know? And me start walk with it and show the people. The man driver.
No, but hold on. What you say with them picture you know? What you say him love take picture? What you mean?
Him love take picture of the woman them parts and them him freaky. Him the freaky. And I tell him say me not in it.
Right. So hold on. And him a show him friend them.
Old man.
And him a show him friend.
Yeah.
Me know your people, you know, but you know say me lose half of him there, so.
I'm not telling you that I tell you
some lose half of him there, man, because my thing there's a simple rule when you must be observing of them something, you know. The man from the woman say, babe, me and you do this, you know. You must protect me. And at the same time, a man must protect the woman too.
No, man, the man is freaky. Sometimes
I'm not busy with him a freaky. Where him gonna tell? First of all, me just feel say if you're a gangster and you're a stoller, you know, for in other picture taking something there.
But the friend them is just like him. The friend them is just like him.
No, you see, but
me tell him say me they are head of the whole of them game because all of them little game the way I play.
Here when me say. Personally when me say, you see if you are juggle with woman and you are gonna protect woman and you know say you're involved, nobody take no picture. If you really mean them woman they good, nobody another picture, nobody follow up that picture something there. Leave it alone. That's not gonna get you in trouble. No care how much you want to look back and whatever this and that and if you really want to protect a woman, even if you take picture, delete them right away and say, baby, look on this, look how your skin out. Delete them right there, son. Nobody with that something there.
Him keep them because sometimes when
no, but you say you see my you say you see my
picture.
show him friend them and thing, yeah.
Him want to take certain picture. Me say,
yeah.
Look for me good.
Yeah.
Me not in that.
You know in that.
Because I tell you say me find only a picture man and you have to be careful.
Well at Jamaica you call from?
Yeah.
All right, I credit you there, man.
No man, a landline.
All right, stay upon the phone. We'll take a break. We'll come back to you, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, don't move. Soon far.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our juggling. And as we talk to this caller, you know, I want to listen to the things them and learn from her. You hear what me are telling her, say, she observed his relationship with the phone, you know, with what him do with the phone. She watch him pattern them and understand what him do, how him relate to the phone. And then she can see like if him do something that deviate from his established regular pattern with the phone, she know that something is wrong. Right? These are elementary things, you understand? I'm telling us a woman are way more observant and understanding of pattern. That's why when women do for them thing, they make sure so when them do for them thing, them don't deviate from the pattern where them have already. That's why when them all do a thing with a man and the man say, wait, them say, it can't work. It have to work when me there work. No, it can't work on Thursday. It can't work on Thursday because Thursday we go home. They can't go. No. If me always go home Thursday, me always go home Thursday. It have to work on Wednesday when me no. Them stay within them pattern. Anyway, back to the caller. Hello.
Yeah, right. So, I tell you, them they are looking something where you have to notice when you go in a relationship. And you can't
talk up, look louder. I not hear you. Talk up,
You have to know where you are going and what to expect because the day when me book him up, man, him frighten him. Never know. But the sad, but the thing about it in a raga, him never do anything for me see him. It's my instinct just tell me say something I go on and I need to make him know so I know because seriously when me and him walk on the road him hug up tight. Him want if me and him go beach, him would go beach every weekend and when we go beach and Negril, Ochi, them place them go.
Yeah.
Hold it and so and him not afraid to hold me up.
Nice.
But
so weird. When a year time, when him there around you, it's like you're the only person in the world.
Yeah.
Right. Well, when him have him game down there.
Too comfortable.
Yeah, him have him game
down there. Guess what? I say, you see, all the way I do a road, I bet you one of these days, you might go take one outside one and then confront me and me a dime to see that day there. And Raga, you know, say me just say, you can't bother prove nothing no more. You know, say me in the house with me for 1 year in the same bed and nothing.
What you mean nothing?
Nothing. Me not talk to him, nothing at all. Me usually tell him, say him to go on with him, I go me take up the clothes. This time me not take up nothing, me just help him pack. And him no want go.
Oh, and him no want to leave?
Nope.
And so we,
no.
So him like you know dead there and dead there and not
intimate.
intimate.
Say nothing can go so. 1 full year.
And nothing no go on between you know.
Nothing, we not talk and nobody outside no.
Oh, you not deal at all?
Nothing at all.
Oh,
put on money. Me say the money, me say make sure say you put on the light and the water.
Right.
You put on your rent. Me say make sure say you put on your rent.
Yeah.
And me just cut off. Then me start talk to one another idiot one. You remember when you did it on Honest the time when you did go and have the show?
When me did that what?
When you did have the show on Honest on Agley Park Road.
O'Neill's, yeah.
O'Neill, yeah.
Yeah, for Agley Park.
I talk to this idiot one.
Yeah.
The night when me I go to the show.
Yeah.
Me say, give me a money now. He say, all right, me give you $1,000. Raga, you see the night we will go a juggler your show.
Yeah.
Me say to Jillian, and me and Jillian, they go, hula hoop girl.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, me remember Jillian.
Me say, me I left Raga about 11 o'clock, you know, Raga. You know, say, when the police come turn off the sound, me realize, say, at 5. So I said, Jillian, what we are doing so now? The time she for go, them did that to 10K in the morning.
Yeah.
And she da work there. I said, Lord, what me I go do now? And me I from church for go, because I start with church now. Raga, you know, so the man at work, the man supposed to look.
Wait, the 1 second. Prezi, them I said them not see me on the video. You check it there for me. Go and talk. Mm-hmm.
The man say him for left work, 7 o'clock a morning, you know. And you know, say, Raga, when the car come up the road, me see like somebody there, the fence, I look out. And I said, no, man. I can't aim. So, Raga, when the car reach the gate, me see like somebody dash in the house. So, the time when me open the door, no, you hear me now, you should have dropped and broke your foot. You see it? Where you come from? You better give me back the money the way you give me. When me give you now, I just open my purse and say, see your money here.
We have $1,000? 1,000 Jamaican dollar? And when I say anywhere Raga they have to do it.
Me say you meet me know in Raga, me go anywhere Raga there.
Yeah.
So guess what? You go leave me and me still go Raga car. Anytime Raga come to Jamaica, anyway I'm sure that me have a day there.
Yeah.
So I have to live with it. And Raga, you know, so me go with the summer. And me I tell you, say the man do me a thing, me have to make police move him out of my house. Every day the man I call me, mommy, and when you come up, me can't sleep, you know, me can't sleep. Me say, me not tell you, say me soon come up, me I come next time July. Why, mommy? My birthday me call me, why? Me all have to sleep in your panty to get to sleep. I say, Raga.
Well, no, when him say to you what? Him have to do what?
Why, mommy, me can't sleep, you know. You know what me have to do one night to sleep? If I put on one of your panty, me say, seriously?
Well, you there with a man and you not there and the way him a fret and stress and can't sleep because him not see you. Him say him have to put on your panty for drop asleep. No. Make it make sense to me. Me not understand. Make it make sense. What you mean? What that do for him? What that do for him?
What do for him? Same time.
Hold on. Him have to put on one of your panty for drop asleep?
Yeah, but time always tell me, say, the way me love you, me will put it on and go sit up at the gate. And me will wear your clothes. And Raga, him do always wear my blouse. If me wash my...
What you mean him always wear your blouse? Me no... No, hold on, man. No, hold on. What you mean him always wear your blouse? Me no understand. Me lost right there.
Blouse, them t-shirt and so the man will put it on.
Why?
You know, she say, me love you. But I don't love that, you know, I control.
No, hold on. That is not about control. That is not about control.
You say, if me go work, him say, what time you come? Me say, 3 o'clock. You know, so when 3 o'clock, me say, my phone I ring. Oh, me not see you yet.
No, hold on. You say him always a put on your clothes and I put on your blouse and I put on your panty and them some of that. No, man, you laugh like a something. No, sir, no.
Hello, you
laugh like a something for joke about and thing like that.
You see when him tell me that?
Yeah.
Me there at Georgia, in Georgia overseas.
Yeah.
You know when me hang up the phone with me do?
What you do?
Me call, me have some police friend down at the station. Me call them and say, get the man
out of your house right away, man. Right away. Right away. Right
you
away.
Know when I don't know.
What?
It starts, son about the year that everybody we are passing and tell them things about me and sit down at my doorway and a sharp match shit.
Ah, you see them people, eh?
And we take up him cell phone. Yes, daddy. Me just didn't have the money at Western Union and at that time nobody know depend the phone.
Wait. That is a madman.
Me say, the man obsessed with me, trust me.
Nah, man. No, you do the right thing, man. No, you know.
Instant enough people.
No,
say,
instant.
You know, the man love you.
Love what? That is not love.
That
is that. Even if that's a film definition of love, you're talking about a severe psychological disorder right there. So here, remember me tell you. Them people that kill woman. Them people that kill woman. At some different level of obsession. Yeah?
You see when they move, you hear what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If him can't get me.
If him can't get you, nobody else.
You know, when I call him and say, me a sick head, you know. Me a sick head.
Yeah.
So do what you want to do. You see, because I go tell him, say, me a sick head.
Yeah.
He might go to church, go tell my pastor. And I'm afraid of me because me say, me a sick head.
Listen to me, man. Me can't get past a part the way the man put on your drawers for drop asleep.
Him put it on. Me say, when him tell me that, me say, I done this, done, you know.
Done right this, so. No make nobody tell about work with him and try to help him. You let go. You let go. Them people, you let them go. You let them go. Any man. Listen to me, ladies. Any man you there with, and thing and when he miss you and thing and really not have no really rational sense to miss you. And because you say I come home 3 o'clock and you not come home 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock come and him not see you and just to get some comfort, him gonna put on your bikini and your Victoria and thing to get some comfort and out there in your blouse and your panty and get away from you. No! Run with a boy there! Run with a boy there! You don't need a boy there in your life. A wicked boy. Them the boy that will kill you and chop you up in your sleep.
And then get you know. No, here, him call IrieJam and tell IrieJam I want idiot woman ear and she tell him tell them on the ear how much you might give me, you know, which Raga him never did give me that.
Yeah.
She catch fair greed now.
With the money thing, don't?
And hunt him down and find him.
You serious?
Yes.
Because of the money she go after do because with the lie where him go tell about how much money. But listen to me. But she's a damn idiot. Because the seriousness of this thing has nothing to do with money, you know. If him did give you $1 million Jamaican dollar every month and still have put on your drawers and your blouse when you're not dead boy about him miss you. You let go the boy the same way. Let him go with the money, make him go about him business.
Go take him and guess what?
Him a wear fear drawers now too.
No, she milk him.
Oh, she milk him?
Him did ask for her title for where she live and thing.
Yeah.
So
a proper mix up.
Anytime she want any money, she just call him. Cause him do it, she want him to do. And they tell him, say, me know in them there's something there.
And she run him in?
Me graduate and everything from them the thing there. That's not me.
Nah, that man there. Nah, sir, that man there. Nah, madman that.
Them woman Reggae.
I'm not saying I have the good and skill like that for make a man, cause Jackie, me know say your thing proper them way there, don't?
Me say no, sir.
No, well, man, you don't answer me, you know, don't play with me, Jackie. Cause your things kill them way there, don't? Any man get it, love it, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. But we say even so, that not them they're not even like, you know, like regular controlling man behavior, jealous man behavior. That just way out of the art. That is just way left field. Way left field.
Something where him do?
Yeah.
Something where him do? I said, no, man, is a madman.
No, you don't need them, man. They not like that.
Them people, you see when they see hearing on them phone?
Yeah.
All him ex him a call, and the time nobody know them on the phone.
A mad people, them man. Them have a whole world in them imagination and a murder when them go put you in. But me take one next card.
The man tell me say him used to go away.
Yeah.
And him work with Butch Stewart and him go a Sanders overseas. And you know they did have one picture with the pig, the man who do the pig with the apple in his mouth. He tell me say I him do it.
I him
and
do
I show you a picture. Me say, then you have to show me a passport or something. For me, say yes, Raga, that man never got airport.
A sick man, that man. But respect for educate about them things I hear.
Yeah, you have to look out for the sign.
What?
And I make them come with no few chains, chum chains, and frighten them. I tell him, say, I'm not frightened for money. Because I feel money, I owe way above that. And me I work and me have my own. So anything him come with, me can match up to.
Idiot thing. All right, big up yourself here, Jack. You know, say a word, you know. I'm glad you have your head on your body. Yeah, ma'am. Respect and blessings here.
Yeah.
All right, cool. People do remember saying if you go over Ragashanti World on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. I remember say a crazy mix-up entertainment over there with whole heap more to come with months and months ahead and years ahead. We have put them up on thing and do remember say this Saturday 8 o'clock we have bust the new live over there. Right? Who used to listen on Tambourine Radio don't know about Free Up. So we have bring Free Up on Ragashanti World channel this Saturday 8 o'clock. Free Up with yours truly Ragashanti, right? A long time if I make this thing a kick off and thing. And this Saturday 8 o'clock Ragashanti World, right? And it's Free Up with me, Ragashanti, right? I'm not going to be able to call in and talk things them and Free Up. It's not out of order, but at the same time we can talk up something of them same way, all right? So Free Up this Saturday, 8 o'clock, on Ragashanti World, on YouTube, the Ragashanti World channel. So go on YouTube, put in Ragashanti World right now and subscribe to the channel. Just click the subscribe button. Just click the subscribe button. Me, I ask you to do that, right? And then log in this Saturday on YouTube, live, me, Ragashanti, with the thing called Free Up. So when you syringe on Tambourine Radio, we bring it on YouTube now, live. In person with the something of them, right? So make sure you tune in this Saturday, 8 o'clock, New York time, Eastern Standard Time. So that's going to be 7 o'clock Jamaica time, right, Prezi? 7 o'clock Jamaica time. So all people who are listening at Jamaica right now at 7 o'clock, you know, just go over Ragashanti. Go over YouTube right now. Go over YouTube right now and subscribe to the channel, Ragashanti World. Just click the subscription button. And log in now, you can just watch everything over there, right? Like everything over there, share the thing them and post in the comments them, and just listen to the thing them. And just be a thing for you to laugh and enjoy on yourself, right? That's how the thing said. Go to YouTube right now and just put in Ragashanti World. You're going to see my pop down face, and on my channel that. And you're going to see a bag of something on the channel. I want to just go and listen and watch and enjoy on yourself. And just know say a whole heap more of them things they're going to post for months and years to come. Because of my place. All right? And this Saturday, the big live, the big premiere, the big launch of a thing named Free Up with me, Ragashanti. Right? And we will be freeing up. Talk up with some of them. Everybody me want to log in this Saturday, 8 o'clock. Because turn over YouTube. You understand? Mad things. So from 8 till 10, 2 hours. 8 till 10, the live are going to run. 2 hours. 8 till 10. All right. This Saturday, from 8 o'clock, Eastern Standard Time, New York times, that's at 7 o'clock Jamaica time. So you know, so that's at 7 to 7, 8, 9 to Jamaica. In Jamaica, 7 to 9, but up here in America, it's 8 to 10. This Saturday, 8 o'clock. But right now, if you haven't done so yet, go over to YouTube, put in Ragashanti World. When you come to that channel, subscribe to the channel. I'm asking you to do so. Do so right now. Okay. Give me a caller. Hello.
Hello?
Greetings.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hey, Raga, what go on?
Man, they are give a proper thanks, you know.
Yeah, man, blessing, man. Raga, a long time. Me know it's a long time still. Me watch up on Nightly Fix. And from then time, the man, me start look for your stuff on YouTube, and I like the work, man.
Yeah, look on the content. On YouTube.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man,
so,
man.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, man. So, you know, I call you know, and big up the truckers, them, you know.
Yeah.
Truckers world, you know.
Yeah.
Man, want big up Big Red.
Big
and
Red.
And like Sugar Bridges and yeah.
What the bread in here?
Like
Sugar Bridges. Sugar Bridges.
Yeah, man, and yeah.
Big up all I trucker them out there, man. See?
Yeah, man, I truckers we give them their name, you know.
See the Sugar Bridges and Big Red. No, Big Red sound like a trucker name for sure, you know. Big Red. Yeah. And Sugar Bridges.
Yeah.
All right, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. But hold on. I phone the crew of the brother when named Pretty Teeth.
No, man, me hear the thing about Pretty Teeth, man. You don't know that one.
You don't know that one there. Yeah, man, I trucker out there, man.
No.
When named Pretty Teeth, you understand?
Yeah, man. Me hear the brother when he call him.
When him call, I say, big up Pretty Teeth.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. At night time when they come on, we have a link, you know, so me send you out to Raga Live on the radio.
Man,
log on.
See it there. Respect, man, because you don't know, say, my content ever keep on a company and make on make on work a little bit easier because no people see on a truck and drive truck out there and I want easy work, you know. And I want easy work at all.
And we have something to laugh about, you know?
No, but you see what I always say, my YouTube channel, you see people who do living work, all my people who take care of people. You see people like Uno do trucking, Uno have the content of the right thing for Uno, not just dead there. Uno can't listen them back and bust big laugh same way and thing, you know? You just go over Ragashanti world and then run them one after the other. And it just make on a work pass even quicker and better, you understand? I worry, man, I have one more content for put up for the item, man, here? All right?
Yes, we are going to do it. Hey, the other night with the, talk about the tying thing and the lady calling about the corn with the ear.
The corn with the ear, or that go?
The rooster.
The what?
Where she said, like, the girl with the teacher man, the Indian teacher man.
Yeah.
Where she said and she used the needle and put the hair through the corn and
no, well I know. So you see, no, that was from a Ragashanti classic, you know. So that you listen that on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you listen that on YouTube. Okay, yeah. So people in my refer to hold on. People in my refer to the tying mix-up. So it over Ragashanti world. I want woman that call in and talk about one way where they tie and whatever and certain another. So it in my refer to. I don't remember exactly the specifics, but what were the specifics? What should it say again?
She said that the school girl, you know, a high school student.
Yeah.
And she like the teacher man, and the teacher man was Indian.
That was Mataran. Yeah, no, sorry, my bad. That was when Mataran called and talk about that tying there and the six candle and three of them for berry standing up on them something there. Yeah, go on, talk. Yeah.
Yes. So with the corn, she never finished the story. So after she give to the rooster or the cock, then every time the rooster crow, then the person supposed to fall in love more. So that was the end of the story right there. So she never said that part.
What you said to me, so basically you are calling and I said, what she said something goes off for true.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that way the people tie people that way there for true.
Yes, man. So every time the rooster crow, man, that person fall in love with you more.
Poopa, Jesus.
So that's what it is.
Every time the cock ball out, the thing set in.
We can mix up figure now about on church, brother.
All right, send it on. Right away, make we hear it.
So, the church brother now, you know, his wife got to him and like, he must say, you know, want to spice up the relationship.
All right. You know if you keep a thing clean with you scored, all right?
Yes, man.
Okay, go on, talk.
Yes,
yeah,
man.
Yeah.
Spicing up,
Yeah.
It's like you want be more adventurous.
Yeah.
Swipe card and all of them stuff.
Yeah, man. Do some extra something in our bedroom.
So
yeah.
I say, no, honey, say me a elder in our church. In the church now. So I agree with that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So one evening now, she noticed her husband now come home.
Yeah.
So she said, okay, man, go down to office, because I run one business. She said, go down to office, go check. So then go down to office, and her husband car park up. We are on the corner.
Yeah.
She go check it. It empty, so she have a key for the office.
Yeah.
So then go up, when she go upstairs now and go in the office, the secretary there now and compromising position,
Yeah.
And, yes, man, the man, the panini, man, the doing thing, man.
Jesus
so
and mercy.
Off for him, and they say, you know, do it in the yard, but you do it on the road.
See there, because she asked him to do this something. She asked him to go up on him knee,
Yes.
She asked him to go up on him knee and to take out him swipe card, and him say him can't do them something there. Him a deacon and all them something there. And that him mouth sanctified and can't do them thing there whatever. But when she go there and thing and whatever, she see him mouth full, don't it? Him mouth full of juju. Full of juju, the whole light. One belly full and thing. Talk about an expanded cuisine. I saw some of them stay, man. Them do it out the road, but no one do it at them yard. Them want do it out, them do it out the road.
Dance abroad.
You see it. Anyway, big up yourself. So what them call you up on the road, though?
Preacher man,
Preacher man. I saw you name as a trucker. Preacher man. So we have Preacher man, Sugar
man.
Bridges, and what the next man name? What the next bridge?
Sweet Cheeks.
What?
Sweet Cheeks. Big Red.
Hold on.
One of them named Sweet Cheeks.
Hold on, man. You have a trucker bridge named Sweet Cheeks?
Yeah, man.
We're going to leave it alone. All right, preacher, man. Big up yourself. Here, sir.
Yeah, man. Blessing, man.
Yeah, man. Respect and protection and safety, man. Mad thing. Yeah, man. Balance.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. All right. Next call. Wanta. Senan. Hello.
Hello. Good night.
Greetings.
How are you doing?
I'm good, What you say?
I'm getting a lot of questions about the young lady who was saying, she cloned up the man thing. And I reading messages and code come from, we should learn from TikTok and stuff.
Yeah. She said she see that TikTok and she run it on him phone and she not take it off yet.
Right, but then he knows that, although he might not know because she do it behind him back, because she use film phone and connect to Fair phone, so she use Fair phone as a backup, as a connected device. But then she never need TikTok to tell her this. It depends on WhatsApp itself. If you click three dot them on WhatsApp, all you go sit on one and say link devices. And if him smart enough and click that three dot there, he can disconnect her from it.
Well, point taken, but it doesn't disqualify what she's saying, and it don't mean say she did have to know about it. I guarantee there's a whole heap of thing in my phone now.
She was saying iPhone uses a code. Remember she was saying iPhone uses a code, right?
Right.
Yes, and iPhone don't have to use a code, whether it's iPhone, Android, whether it's a laptop, whatever it is.
Right.
That's what I'm saying. So.
No. What I am saying to you is, me hear what you are saying, but you can't take where she. You just say, by the way, there's additional things to do it. But that is just where she just happened to find out for her when somebody on TikTok explain it, she see it and go do it. So she must know. But that is the very point I'm making. That, you see what you just say? Me don't know about them something there either. And me I guarantee you say, holy papi, it's like nothing to you. Like you say, no, she never found a special code. You can't do so and so. But I'm telling you that a whole heap of people are listening to you right now and I say, well, that is news to me. Where you just say, me just know about that too.
Well, maybe you're right about that.
Right.
You say you know about me, now I'm going to tell you all you know. But anyway.
Me know? What do you mean me know?
Oh, yes. Trust me. It does. A lot of us even. see, a lot of us even might know, but we don't pay attention to these things. Like, oh, you know, remember you say, oh, woman use the phone more than man and so.
Yeah.
You know, because you see,
Prezi,
most people who them
everything has
them
gone.
so.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I am disconnected.
No. The whole of the computer screen them go blank, so me I tell Prezi. Yeah, go and talk. Yeah.
You know, like when you use your computer, you have it on your laptop and you use your computer and them something there.
Yeah.
And you know, say, okay, you read a message by your laptop, right? Like you read an email by your laptop.
Yeah.
And then you might somewhere, you know, really have your laptop with you, but you can read the same email by your phone. You get what I say?
Correct.
That is exactly what it is. So it's like him, you know, he have him WhatsApp on his phone, but then fair phone is just a pretend like to be the WhatsApp, but like to be the laptop.
No, I understand what you're saying, you know, but in terms of what the focus of the show is, the technicality can be replicated easier elsewhere in another application. Is not really the focus of the show. You know. The focus of the show is that she knows something where him don't know about the phone, and she have him in a permanent compromised position, right? So I just the mix-up we're interested in. You understand? That the technique, the fact that it can be done.
Sir, go click your tree that them on your WhatsApp and just say unlink device. There is a big going unlink.
No, but well, I think you miss a point, though, you know, because she's saying enough to make me know say it's not WhatsApp specific. What you are saying is specific to WhatsApp, you know.
But that is what she's interested in, is the WhatsApp she interested in.
No. You never listen. Listen to me, no, man.
She said something them we must send to her on the WhatsApp.
But hold on, you just lock on WhatsApp alone. What she did, it forward everything from the phone. So even him regular non-WhatsApp messages, him call them, everything. It's not application specific. And all phones, all company have a feature like that on them phone.
We are aware of this. So that is just the most complicated one. As we know, as you know, WhatsApp is always double encrypted. The other one them is easier. So I was just saying to the gentleman out there, if he's listening, to unlink him WhatsApp, because this is where maybe most of the interest is lying, because you don't know, people are going to send more messages in a WhatsApp and, you know, pictures and videos or whatever.
So, but why you want call, you know, for boss panel and mash up our business? Me not say me agree with it or none, but me say why you make it your duty, you know, for calling and like say you want mash up our little thing where she go with. Why go on this? So?
Why you feel say me a mash up our thing? Me not really a mash up our thing.
No, you mash up our thing. Because you calling and I say, sir, this and that and unlink.
You don't feel that she a mash up the man thing? You don't feel that she a mash up the man thing?
No, I am not disputing that. All I'm asking is why you are calling and a different...
All other men
what?
To tell a woman to take up this 24-hour job. Why she must call in and trying to tell a woman to take up this 24-hour job to go watch
Hold on. Hold on. With all due respect, at no point did that lady advocate that other woman should do what she... Oh, you reached this up. She called in and talk about fear thing.
Listening?
Oh, you reached this. So
she said?
She never at any point evangelize and tell people say other woman for go do it too. She never do that. You just accused her of that.
She said, women, you can do this. She said that at one point to say iPhone users, you should know the code.
No, I find it interesting that you have up a woman for what she do. Why?
I don't have her up. Don't say that. That's not the right word.
No, you have her up. I want to keep on yourself. What you doing?
It's not me, the man phone. Hello, before you go.
Hold on, let me understand where you are. I defend the man them now, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Yeah. No, well, me just understand. You come to defend the man them right now.
It's 24-hour watching phone is not healthy. It's not healthy.
No, well,
like, she don't have a job. She don't have another job. See, when the man reach up and say, me God. She don't have another job, can do it, take up less time. This is like a...
No, me agree with you this. So me can't. You see, true, me don't even stay so too. You see, every woman Me a talk it out loud. You see, every woman who have that phone something, and the obsession something, and the watchy something, a be a problem it cause. It never work with me. It never, ever. Because me not do it, you know. If me not do it to you, I don't want you to do it to me. I think I pick this something them, but me not judge nobody.
Say, oh, but me if somebody else text me. How would she feel if the man do that back to her now and start? That nobody has time for that.
Can I ask you something? Hold on. Can I ask you something? Throughout your life, have you ever done something that gives you an advantage over someone else? And that you would never ever want them to have that advantage over you?
Yes, I've done that before.
So what the difference with she?
Because I have learned from that and grown. I don't try to encourage people to do that.
So why you feel like for calling tonight and teach her?
Because she was talking about it as if it is a reward in a certain way. To say, even when she said to you, when you asked her if she feel any way about what she found, and then she used her side to justify that. No, really, come here, somebody will text me sometime too. So she's justifying that is the reason why she not really let go a shadow or she don't really feel away.
Well,
if I'm, if I'm discerning what she's saying correctly.
Right.
That's what I get from what she's saying. Mark you, it's her.
Now, hold on. All right. Say you attack to Delmarine, no, and Delmarine tell you say she do them something, and true you know Delmarine, no. You that tell Delmarine to stop do them something?
Yes, I would.
So you just basically encourage people to stop use phone for spy on them partner.
I don't think it's a healthy thing, especially if you know you're not going to look at the relationship. All right, what is it? What is the gratifying? What is the gratification then? She already said to you, me not go left him.
Listen to me.
Oh,
we African dinner this Wednesday. Here. No, I'm serious. We African dinner this Wednesday. Here. Why you know say show too short? Me have to figure out something. But we African dinner can we run out of time. No, I'm serious. We're going to go back to this topic Wednesday. Here. All right, people.
Right, sir.
Yeah, man. And
people don't check on the WhatsApp and see everybody connected to it. And don't analyze them.
And thank you for my birthday greeting today. I really appreciate it. Here. Blessings.
You are most welcome.
And big up everybody who give me a year and thing and whatever. I don't know where it go. Anytime Father's Day, birthday, Christmas, New Year, I can't respond to everybody and thing and whatever. But I just want to say thanks to the whole town and sit. All right? People go over to Ragashanti World and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Ragashanti World on YouTube and subscribe to that channel. And do remember, I said this Saturday, on the same channel there, Ragashanti World on YouTube, we kick off a thing named Free Up with me, Ragashanti, right? 8 o'clock, New York time, East Coast, US East Coast time. That's at 7 p.m. Jamaica time. You just log in and come and join on yourself and make we go on with the something them over there, right? So go to Ragashanti World right now. Subscribe to the channel. If you are listening to this on Ragashanti World and you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and make sure it's on a lock in 8 o'clock this Saturday for the premiere, the launch of Free Up. Take care of yourself, people. On Wednesday, we will continue this very interesting conversation upon this phone thing and what going out there with man and woman affair. See, take care. Wednesday. Man.
Roll call! Red Hills Road, White Plains Road, Crossroads, Jamaica Avenue, Constant Spring, Flatbush Avenue, wherever you are, the only